Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to delete pages from a PDF. If you want to remove unwanted pages and clean up your documents, this tutorial is for you. On your computer or laptop, if you have a PDF and want to delete some pages, it is really simple. Once you open your PDF, just go to the section in Adobe Acrobat called Add and Delete Pages. Here you can see all your pages. All you have to do is click the pages you want to delete. You will see the trash icon appear right away. Now, once you click this, make sure you have already decided which pages to remove and read the message that appears before confirming. If you want a free way to delete a page, just open your browser and go to Canva. On Canva, click Upload, then choose the PDF you want to edit. Once the upload is done, just open it and select the page you want to delete. For example, this page right here. You will see the Delete Page option appear straight away. Once you have deleted the pages you do not need, you are left with only the pages you want to keep. Now that the page is deleted, all you have to do is click Share and download the file so you can save it to your computer. When you open it, here is your PDF, now downloaded with only one page. This tutorial shows you how to easily delete a specific page from a PDF using simple, free tools. We walked you through selecting pages, removing them, and saving your updated file. And that is it. Now we know how to delete pages from a PDF.